I just want to show you this renovated kitchen with granite countertop. It looks beautiful, the countertop, beautifully. And we end up in some problems, which is, like example, this drawer, I'm trying to open it, I can't open it because it's crooked. And then another problem, which is the dishwasher. The dishwasher is nothing wrong with it, it's a brand new. The problem is, again, with the cabinet installer, which is crooked. So now, here's another one. This one is a kind of major also, because we need exhaust fan when we cook to not put the house all in smoke or the walls to get all dirty. So, by all that being said, in the next project, please give me a call. Thank you.